Python. Now, most commonly asked questions are: what is Python and what are the uses of learning it? Now, let's begin our session with what is Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Nowadays, Python is most popular language. It is used for web development on server side, software development, mathematics, system scripting, and also used in many fields. Now another question arose is, what can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping of a production-ready software development. And now why Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Like in Java, Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Good to know the most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in our tutorial. However, Python 2, although not being updated with anything other than security updates, is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in our IDE, and it is easy to write Python in an integrated development environment, such as Thorny, Pickup, NetBeans, or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Python files. Now, Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command, as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. Like in Java, we have to add a semicolon at the end of every command. But in Python, no need to do this. Python relies on indentation, using white space, to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. Example: print, hello, world. Now that is for today. And if you found it useful, then please subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to make more videos for you.